doing today?
Outstanding. How about yourself?
Well, today we are here to celebrate a very important member of our team, and that is Matt. So today we are proud to announce and celebrate Matthew Devore, Assistant Director of Maintenance and Operations, as this month's Cheers from Peers Award recipient. We are thrilled to share that you were nominated by Teresa. Where is she at? Matt is not only an asset to his department, but to the entire district. He is dedicated to providing outstanding work here at HUSD and inspires others to do the same. He is humble and understands that it takes teamwork to meet the many needs of the district. He facilitates open communication and helps others to collaborate more efficiently. He is kind-hearted, making him approachable and easy to reach out to. Although this will often bring him many calls out of the scope of his department, he always responds with patience, guidance, and support. Cheers to you, Matt, for being you. Teresa. Congratulations. So, yes, congratulations, and thank you for serving.
Congratulations, big guy. This is the perpetual trophy. Get to hang on that for a little bit. We appreciate all that you do.